Good evening, everyone. It is March 10th, 2017. We are doing a two-box break. It is a random hit break. It's 2015-16 Leaf Prospects and Heroes Hockey. Two-box break. Number one, this is a random hit break. So this is basically like our Leaf Ultimate Hockey breaks. We're going to randomize the names, randomize the hits that are pulled, and whatever you match up with is the card you'll get. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to showcase the cards. But here it is. Here's the list of names that got into this break. Good luck. Everybody will get a random hit. So here is the box. It is kind of big. It is kind of tall. But here it is right here. 10 boxes. So we're doing a two-box break. So we're going to use the true random number generator. I'm going to number these boxes. And then we'll generate two boxes for this break. Yes, sir, Dallas. Heroes and Prospects. We just got that in, so might as well try it out. Did I say it backwards? Prospects and Heroes? Heroes and Prospects? Oh, I said it backwards then, yeah. Well, that's what it's displayed. That's what it's titled at, so I like to keep these the right way. So we'll leave that back there. Let me turn these around this way. I'm going to do this. There we go. Oh yeah, Nick actually put it backwards. Oh well, I'll have to tell him that. So there it is, guys. Here's the 10 boxes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to number them. If you guys can see them, that's a 2, 3, 4, 5. No, I don't. I'm going to use a true random number generator like I always do, man. It's just easier that way. Alright, guys. So I just numbered them, as you can see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright guys, so let's switch screens really quick. Let's go to random.org and use the true random number generator like I always do for most of our breaks. And there are 10 boxes total, so we're going to generate two numbers. So the first box is generated is 2. So we're doing 1 is going to be box 2. So let's pull it out. Right here, box 2. We'll leave that right there. And let's generate one more box. 9. We're doing box 9. Which is right over here. Oh, boxes fell down there, but here's box 9. So these boxes here are going to be for future breaks. Let's put these back there. Alright. Yeah, I mean, that's true, right? You can hit huge, but we'll see what comes out. So we'll do box 9 first. So like I said, guys, I'm going to showcase the hits. And then we'll see what comes out of here. But yeah, guys, while we're breaking this, do get into Cup Hockey and SPX Hockey. SPX is almost about to be in single digits. Dallas, you're going to have to help me out with some of these names, okay? We're down to 12 in SPX and 21 in Pick Your Team. Alright, guys, first card. Heroes and Prospects. Game used, 20 of 45. David Levin. There's one, 20 of 45, so we'll put that right there. Next one. Is Heroes and Prospects. That is 24 of 25. Jordan Kyrou. He's from Israel, the first player ever. So the first guy is Israeli, guys. He's the first player ever, Nick K saying. Kiro. All right, nice. Jordan Kiro. right, next one is a Heroes and Prospects, Canadian, Russia. What is that? 29 of 45. Pierre-Luc Dubois. Dallas is saying that's a nice one. All right, so that's 3 down. Next one. Nice 3-color patch coming up. Simon Stransky. Game used, 6 of 20. Nice, well, 4-color patch actually. The white, black. Right there, 4 colors. Nice. Next one. Let me pull this out, guys. Next one. Wow, this is the one I was talking about. Heroes 8. 15 of 25. The one card that did include Connor McDavid. Dylan Larkin, Connor McDavid, Sam Bennett, Anthony Duclair, Jack Eichel, Max Domi, Sam Reinhart, and Nikolai Ehlers. This is the one card I was saying that had Connor McDavid in the set. And there it is. Nice 15 of 25. Patches of all of these. Nice. Next one. Prospect signatures. Dmitry Sokolov. Dmitry Sokolov. That's 1 auto. Next one. Another Dmitry prospect. Hukanov. Dmitry Hukanov. Not sure. Learning, folks. Prospects, Tyler Parsons. That is 12 of 30. I don't think these ones are numbered. But this one is 12 of 30. Zukinov. All right, nice. Thank you, Dallas. Always appreciate that. All right. We got a thicker card. What is this? Nice. Heroes and Prospects. That's a Heroes autograph. Olaf Kolzig. 4 of 30. Hold Parsons. Okay, so Parsons is the guy you should hold. Nice Heroes autograph. Olaf Kolzig. 4 of 30. And the last card of the first box, guys. Take this off. We have a auto game used printing plate, Max Jones. Magenta plate, 1 of 1, auto jersey, Max Jones. All right, nice. So that was one box, guys. Let's open up the second box. Remember, guys, there's 20 cards in here, 20 spots. You're going to get a random hit. He was only 19 and was the second goalie taken in the draft. Nice. All right, next box, guys. Heroes and Prospects, 8 of 15. Michael McNiven. Oh yeah, Dallas is awesome. Nathan Jackson's the best. He knows all about hockey for me. He always helps me out with the names and everything. Heroes and Prospects, game used, 8/45. Dylan Doobie. Let's go with the next one. Game used, 6/25. Dimtro Timashkov. Dimashov. Nice 3 colors in there. Prospects 8. 7/15. So you got Dylan Strome right there. I know that guy. Jacob Chychrun. I know that guy. The rest of these guys, not really that much. But that is a 7/15. Prospects 8. I'm not even sure, Nick. Let me pull this out. Next one. Prospects 8, 16/40. There's that guy Nolan Patrick, which he sells really well supposedly. There's that guy DeBrincat, Matthew Tkachuk, Tyler Benson, Jake Bean, 16/40. I was looking at Nolan Patrick's stuff of this stuff, and it actually sells pretty well. I mean, for a Leaf product. All right, guys, next one. Connor Garland, 24/30. Prospect signatures. Next one. Prospect signatures, that's a 1/10. I'm just going to call him Martins. Next one. Prospect signatures. Giovanni Smith. I love it how when Nathan, he always helps me out, Dallas guys, and then he goes, I can't help you on that name. So I'm glad that I didn't even try, because even if Nathan could have helped me out, he's like, yeah, I can't help you on that one. That's funny. Alright, next one is a Heroes and Prospects auto game used Anthem Inc. That is a 1/5 right there. That's Gabriel Villardi. And the last one. Wow, look at that. Not too bad. Heroes and Prospects signatures, Jesse Puyarvi. 25/25. I do know where he goes. That's the way to end the box. 25/25. As you can see, no more hits. Alright, guys. So, quick recap. Yeah, this one had a bunch of prospects that were loaded, right? So, here's a recap, guys. We're going to start with the top, the first card that came out. Then I'm going to pause the video really quick, guys. Give me a couple minutes to put all these cards into the randomizer. That way I can randomize all these cards. And then I'll come back, randomize your names, randomize the hits. And then we'll see what everybody gets. Really nice stuff that came out of here, guys. So I'm gonna pause the video, guys. I'll be right back, guys. If you're watching on YouTube, it's just gonna be a quick, not even split second. Welcome back, guys. I just finished up putting the hits into the randomizer, so let's switch screens. So here's a dice roller. Here's a list of names, and here are the hits that I typed in myself. Did take a while, so if you're watching on YouTube, it was pretty fast. If you were here actually watching live, it took me about 5 to 10 minutes. But here it is, guys. Let's go. Let's roll the dice. A 4 and a 6. That's 10 times. 10 times on the names first. So let's go with the names first. 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10th and final time. There it is, 10 times, and let's make sure it was a 10. That's a 4 and a 6, yes. So Trev is right at the top, and Jim is at the bottom. So here it is. So let's see what these guys get now. 10 times on the hits. Here they are. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10th and final time. Good luck. So here it is. After 10 times, we have the Dimitri at the top, Dimitri autograph at the top, and the Connor Garland 24 of 30 at the bottom. So let's print this and make this a little bit bigger. So Trev, you get the Dimitri autograph. Stevens Moody, you get the Giovanni Smith auto. Jim with the Dimitri autograph. Nick K gets the Max Jones printing plate 1 of 1. Trev with the Gabriel 1 of 5. Claro with the Olaf Kolzig 4 of 30. Stevens with the Martins 1 of 10. Robert Rincon with the Prospects 7 of 15. Derek with the Pierre-Luc 29 of 45. Trev with the Michael 8 of 15. Jim with the Tyler Parsons 12 of 30. That is a guy that says that Nathan Jackson says to hold on to. So he must know he's pretty good. Trev with the Jesse Puljujarvi 25 of 25. Nick K with the Dylan 8 of 45. As well as the Dimitro Tomashov 6 of 25. Trev with the Prospects 16 of 40. Nick K with the David 20 of 45. Nick K also with the Hero 8. Nice. You get the one with all the nice heroes in there, including Connor McDavid. Trev, Jordan with the Jordan 24 of 25. Robert with the Simone Stransky 6 of 20. And Jim with the Connor Garland 24 of 30. So there it is, guys. That was the break. We'll put up another one in the store, JaspysHockeyLand.com. I'm Jason, and I'll see you guys next time.